Hi guys. Okay, I got this. A little bit. Let me zoom in. Okay, I got this knife. I just learned. I found a trick that is for you guys who love to see your bevel looking good and nice one and what's not. But once you're off the fixed angle sharpening system, there is a slight chances that your bevel won't be as pretty as you want. I don't know if you guys can see this. Just look at this knife. You see there is a slight not much, yeah, from here. Let me turn on the light. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's got to the shoulder over here. There is some slight bevel or line that is not perfectly touched by the stone. So what I'm gonna show to you guys today is, by using this spyderco fine or ultra fine stone, you can touch up this thing and make it blend the line here with the previous sharpening bevel that you have done. Mind you, this knife is sharp from the start. What I'm gonna do today is not sharpening the knife, it's just fixing the bevel so that it look more blend in and nice. Here also you can see this. Here is, I touch it just now a little bit. I'm gonna so I'm gonna show you guys how it is done on this stone. I'm going to do it in freehand. This is a good stone actually for finishing and what's not. Okay, let's start. Basically what we are doing is, if you have you establish a bevel, you need to establish a good bevel first actually, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your knife on the stone, not as slightly lower than your bevel angle, so that it won't mess up with your edge. So you, in this stone, is good, particularly on the tactile feedback. You can hear whether you are over angle or under angle. What we want is under angle, so that we won't mess up our edge. So it will be like this. If your angle like this, slightly bend it. You can feel it, because this stone will give you feedback on it. That's why I highly recommend this spyderco fine or ultra fine for your finishing, because it can refine your scratch pattern. My table is moving. You see, there is a little bit more, so it takes time. It takes time to remove this. Just work at it slowly. You will get there. The most important part, you have established a good bevel, and then when you do your finishing, slightly lower your angle on the stone. You don't need to put pressure, just glide your knife onto the stone. And pay attention on where you're working on. Let's say you're working on the heel, put a little bit pressure, just put your finger on the place that you want to refine, For me, I just want to refine the whole bevel to blend all the impurities of the bevel into one line, into one bevel, if that makes sense. Yeah, I know from if you fresh off your sharpening system, you shouldn't get this. If you are properly clamp it and you take your time sharpening on your system, you won't have this problem. But yeah, for me, I can't do it in a rushing, so that's why I get this kind of problem. So you see, it's very clean. You can't even see the line, the second line. Yeah, I still can see it, but it will over time, if you continue doing it, the imperfection will be gone. Only I have to work on this step a little bit. Compare it to the other side that I haven't touched yet. You can see the different on the grind. There is not that blend in. It's like two bevel over there, like this. It's moved clean and once not, and it's nearly mirror. I just need to work on this section a little bit more. Okay, when I'm done with this, I will move to the other side. There is a chance also that you gonna hit your edge, but worry not, the stone won't cut as fast as a diamond, so the stone is still forgiving. It's not that you're gonna mess up your edge really bad. Just a minor touch up will do. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna switch the side because this is gonna take a long time. I'm gonna show you guys how from the condition it is right now, I'm gonna turn it into this. So I'm gonna switch hand. Right. Establish your bevel. Slightly lower your angle. You will feel it on the stone. Just glide it. If your angle is correct, it won't be any what I call resistance. You won't feel any kind of drag or what's not. You kind of it's kind of the knife is glued sucking into the stone. It's just like glass, you know. Remember, slightly lower your angle from your sharpening angle. Just a few stroke, you can see there is slight combination here. I just need to put more effort here on the belly and on the tip. You don't have to put pressure, just glide. And this stone is also good for touching up your edge. This spyderco ceramic stone is not gonna dish, and it's a good stone to have if you are sharpening. This will need to work more. Now see, it's going there. The edge is going there. It's gonna merge into one bevel. Just take your time and it will work out. Trust me. Zulu Kilo signing out.